The biggest problem with using Shoe Goo is distributing it because it sticks to your fingers so much. So the first thing you have to do, and you can see this shoe is essentially brand new, but in another couple of weeks I'm gonna wear right through the heel here. You can throw it away at an $80 shoe that's done. So first thing that I do is I use a little bit of masking tape to help contain the Shoe Goo. And as you can tell, I am putting it on at an angle a little bit, and that's in order to provide a nice curve without the tape folding inward. And I'll do that on this side as well. And then maybe another strip over the first two. That establishes a little cavity to catch the Shoe Goo. And then I deposit the Shoe Goo in a relatively thin layer like this. And that's generally when all the problems start. In this particular case, odorless mineral spirits is your friend. Just put some in a suitable container like this and just wet your finger a little bit. And that allows you to distribute it exactly how you want it. It's not going to stick to your finger. It's not going to hurt the bond with the sole of the shoe. And you can see that I've pretty much massaged it into the exact shape I want it to be in. Again, as I mentioned, it's a relatively thin layer because it's not good to deposit too much. So what I'll do in the second pass, once this dries, and that's going to be overnight, I'll just deposit another layer to build up the Shoe Goo to the level to make the sole even.